perfect guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard, we had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it effortless. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. And love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest. We'll take a little leap of faith, and I will do the rest. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love.
1, 2, 3.
I know that I'm well away from being a perfect guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard, we had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it effortless. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of.
Okay, so can you believe it? We're here in Winslow, and we're with Simon Gregson, aka Steve McDonald.
Hello.
And we've just had an amazing breakfast here.
What did you have?
We had the full English.
Oh, nice.
It was really, really good.
You won't need to eat till tomorrow now.
So we're from Stoke-on-Trent, so I think everyone from Stoke-on-Trent should come here to Morley's Tearooms and support Emma, and of course support Simon as well.
Yeah, eat all the cakes because I'm getting fatter every day.
Brilliant. Thank you, Simon.
Love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest.